Welcome to center stage meditation. This meditation exercise is not to be played while driving or operating machinery. Relax and find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. As you exhale, mentally repeat and visualize the number 5 3 times. Take another deep breath. As you exhale, mentally repeat and visualize the number 4 3 times. Take another deep breath. As you exhale, mentally repeat and visualize the number 3 3 times. Take another deep breath. As you exhale, mentally repeat and visualize the number 2 3 times. Once again, take a deep breath. As you exhale, mentally repeat and visualize the number 1 3 times. To help you enter a deeper meditative state, I am going to count down from 10 to 1. With each descending number, allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper into a healthier level of mind. 10. 9. Feeling yourself going deeper. 8. 7. 6. Deeper and deeper. 5. 4. 3. Deeper and deeper. 2. 1. You are now at a deeper, healthier level of mind. To reach this deeper, healthier level of mind at any time, simply take an occasional deep breath and let it out slowly. You are now and always in control of your state of mind. You can control your thoughts. You can control your visual images. You can open your eyes and become fully alert anytime you wish. Every time you enter this relaxed state, know that you are getting better and better in every way. Whenever you enter this relaxed state, mentally say, "Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better." As you say these words, sense yourself improving in all areas of your life. Visualize positive changes and improvements. Now mentally repeat, "Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better." Relax. Relax your head. Relax your jaw. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. Relax your arms and hands. Relax your chest and abdomen. Relax your legs and feet. You are now completely relaxed. Now gently tense your entire body for a moment and let it go. That's fine. Mentally repeat, "My body rests and refreshes itself when I consciously relax. I am relaxed now." Setting your goal. It is now time to set your goal. Consider for a moment what it is that you truly want. To begin directing your energies in the proper direction, and to enhance both desire and expectation, we will use a technique called center stage. In center stage, you will visualize yourself in a theater. You will imagine yourself sitting in the 3rd row, center seat. The exercise consists of 3 acts. Act 1, the present situation. Visualize yourself outside a theater. Walk through the entrance. Move down the aisle. Take a seat in the 3rd row, center. The curtains are closed. In a moment, the curtain will open. When it does, project yourself onto the stage and act out your present situation, the situation you are not satisfied with. This is simply an acknowledgement that the problem exists. Change, not denial, is the tool of the master. Relax. The curtain is opening. Project yourself onto the stage. Act out your present situation. Take your time. Begin. Relax. Now the curtain is closing. Project yourself back into your seat. The curtain is now closed. Mentally write a large red word, "No," on the curtain. Now mentally say, "Any past feelings that hold me to that scene, I now release." Act 2. Setting the pattern. It is now time for Center Stage, Act 2. In this act, you will direct the scene the way you want the actual event to happen. To help establish the pattern, an actor of your choice will take your role. This actor may be yourself, a respected friend or mentor, a historical figure, a movie, television, or stage personality, or anyone you admire and respect. This actor becomes your alter ego during this act. When the curtain opens, the play will unfold exactly as you would like your goal to unfold. You are the author. You are the director. You are the producer. You may change the action anytime you wish. The scene will end with a positive and successful conclusion. Bring a realistic target date into the scene. Relax. The curtains are opening. The actor is now in place. The curtains are open. Begin. Relax. The curtains are now closing. The curtains are closed. Mentally write the word "better" on the curtain. Then mentally say, "This is the way I want it to be." Act 3. Becoming the actor. It is now time for Center Stage, Act 3. This time, you will play yourself. You will step into the action and become part of the scene. The pattern has already been established. The scene will unfold the way you want your life to unfold. The conclusion of the play will be your goal accomplished. Bring your target date into the scene. Make the scene dynamic and alive. Use all of your senses. See what you would see. Hear what you would hear. Feel what you would feel. Notice any smells. Notice any tastes. Fully experience the reality of your goal achieved. Relax. The curtain is opening. Project yourself onto the stage. Play out the role exactly as you want it to happen. Your goal is accomplished. Take your time. Begin. Relax. Now project yourself back into your seat. The curtains are closing. The curtains are closed. Mentally write the words "better" and "better" on the curtain. Now mentally say, "This is the way it will be." Closing the exercise. Project yourself outside the theater. You are now standing outside. The theater begins to disappear. The theater has disappeared. Relax. Whenever you think about your goal, think about the beneficial aspects of having already achieved it. Think about the positive end result. Relax. Mentally repeat, "My body repairs and refreshes itself when I consciously relax. I am relaxed now." Each time I meditate, I neutralize the stress in my life. Each time I meditate and concentrate on a desire, I strengthen that desire. Relax. In a moment, I am going to count from 1 to 5. At the count of 5, you will open your eyes, feeling wide awake, refreshed, energized, and better than before. 1. Beginning to return. 2. Coming back slowly. 3. Becoming more aware of your surroundings. 4. Feeling refreshed, alert, and energized. 5. Eyes open, wide awake, feeling wonderful, refreshed, and better than before.